What are some simple ways to spot good mental health without going into very technical definitions? How do we spot in simple ways? Let's find out. Before I proceed, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. So, what is mental health all about? It's about feeling good, as simple as that. So, when we have good mental health, we are feeling good about things in life. We are feeling good about things going well, which is obvious, and we are feeling good about things when they don't go well. We are feeling happy about facing our challenges, whatever life throws at us. We use those challenges, we can try to make something out of it, and hence we are okay to start with, and in many cases, feeling proud of ourselves to reach the most of our potential. I feel happy to make the most of my potential. It's not someone else's potential, it is my potential. Meaning, we are not trying to achieve someone else's standards, we define our own standards. Remember the video about inner critic, where standards are set by the rest of the world, by society, by parents or teachers, and so on. That's different. We are not trying to reach someone else's definition of our potential. We are reaching our potential. And while doing this, we're playing a full part in our relationships, in life in general, at work, in our community. When we're interacting with someone else, we feel better about it. And we can cope with whatever life is throwing at us. It's like whatever is the kind of wave coming, you know how to surf that wave. That is the simplest way to understand what is good mental health. When we are not feeling that well, and our feelings are now stopping us from getting on with life, that starts a phase where we're not well mentally. We're not feeling well, as simple as that, because our feelings are stopping us from moving on. Our feelings are having a huge impact on not just myself, in my case, but on everyone else that I'm interacting with, that I'm working with, that I'm living with, that I'm speaking with. I don't say what I want to say. That's a definition of my feelings stopping me. I'm scared of something because if I say this, something else will happen. Some kind of filters start coming in. I jump to conclusions at times. Now, in life, these things happen. But if these things happen on a regular basis, then something is going a bit in the wrong direction. And we stay in such moods for long periods of time. Sometimes feeling, okay, you know what? If I don't do this work correctly, that will actually teach them a lesson, or teach myself a lesson, or someone will start noticing me. And these kind of thoughts of harm, whether it is initially for your work output or for people, and at times for yourself, they're already showing the symptoms that, first of all, we need to talk with someone, we need to seek help, we need to do something about it. But these are the simple ways to understand that our health is deteriorating. Unfortunately, unlike physical health, we don't have indicators moving around that, okay, when you look at someone, you can say that this person has some, some challenges for mental health, because many of us are good actors in different situations. What's going inside is not known to people outside. If it is not known, then we can't do much about it. And the first person to do something about it, for my case, is me. And for your case, is you. For your friend's case, is your friend. And many cases, we need each other to start talking about it. That is a simple test to understand things are not going well. Let me do something about it. If you have seen some of our other videos, there are tips to come out of those zones, those red zones, blue zones, yellow zones, and come to a zone of readiness, being, I call it the green zone, where you're just feeling, in the simplest terms, you're feeling okay. You're feeling ready to do something about the current situation. You're feeling okay. That's the starting point. If you're not feeling okay, you do something where you take rest physically, you eat something, you refresh yourself. Mentally, you start understanding what I am thinking. Is there a different explanation for it? There are various techniques we explain. And speak to a friend. Develop your inner cheerleader. Be your own best friend. See you in the next video. And if this video helped you, don't forget to share with a friend.